Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of Oxford Academy, grade 8. This is your English teacher, Miss Mahavish Tariq. Hope you all are fine. I'm also well, Alhamdulillah. As you all know, my dear students, that we all are apart from each other because of the coronavirus. Dear students, the management and the teachers of Oxford Academy are working hard for you all to be in touch with you through we recorded videos and the planner which we have already given to you. I hope that you all are learning your lessons at home, and if you are feeling any difficulty in learning your lessons, you can watch our videos again and again so that you can understand each and every chapter very well. Okay, now my dear students, before moving to the chapter, I'm just telling you how do you start your chapters in your registers. First of all, you already seen the picture on your screen of your syllabus which I have provided to you. It's the syllabus of your final terminal examination of English literature, prose section and the poem also. Okay, before starting of your work, what you have to do, you know it very well. And again, I'm telling you that you have to make title page of final term. After that, the list which I am showing to you on your mobile screens, on your tablet screens, you have to cut that list from your syllabus and paste it in your registers. After that, make the title page of chapter 1, The Ant Lion. And when you're done with the title page, after that, do all the given work of the ant lion in your syllabus, copy it in your registers. Okay, my dear students of Oxford Academy grade 8, let's move on to our first chapter, The Ant Lion. The Ant Lion chapter is about two children's fascination with a predatory animal, and that is the ant lion. The story is full of fantastic detailed description that places us with the two children. It is almost as if we are watching the ant lions attacks ourselves. The author of this story is Judith Wright, and he was one of Australia's best known poets. Apart from several volumes of poems, he has also written a number of books for children and a book of short stories. The Ant Lion is also about in her short stories, and it's really famous and it's very fantastic also. She also published some stories, The Nature of Love, which was published in 1966. The Ant Lion is taken from his book of short stories, as I told you before, and it is very fascinating. The fight between two children, they were discussing about the ant lion. After when they were discussing the ant lion, they saw the whole of the ant lion, how ant lion trapped its enemy. My dear students, as you can see on your screens, it's a picture of the holes which ant lion made for the trap of the enemy or for the trap of little creature to eat them all. And in this chapter, in the first paragraph of the story, Morvina is a girl. She tries to push the ant up to the slope away from the ant lion, and Max, her brother, blows it down to the ant lion. That's what they both are doing in this story. My dear students, in this chapter, we will learn that Morvina is not too keen continuing the activity that she and her brother are engaged in because she tells her brother Max not to get any more ants. She says she won't watch them all like this anymore, and she covers her eyes. My dear students, in this chapter we will learn that the children are completely absorbed in watching the meat ant being attacked by the ant lion. The two children, the sister and the brother, Morvina and Max, stare down, lying on their stomachs, heads almost together, shamed and raptured, and they were very taking keen interest in doing what all aunts are doing and how Aunt Lion attacked the meat aunt, as you can see in your pictures also. My dear students, as I told you that this story is about the ant lion and the struggle of an ant trying to escape the ant lion had made the both children, Morvina and her brother Max, hold their breath. But in the end, the ant lion had caught the little lion, the meat lion, and buried the ant. Now, my dear students, this is all about the chapter The Ant Lion. I hope you understood it clearly, and you should all do the work from your syllabus in your registers also. And if you find any difficulty to do the work in your register, and if you still find the difficulty to understand the chapter, you can watch my video again and again to try to understand it very clearly. Till my next lectures video, take very good care of yourself. Don't go out unnecessarily because, as you know, we are having a very bad second wave of COVID. So try to be safe and stay at home. Don't forget to wash your hands again and again for at least 20 seconds and keep sanitizing your hands. Okay, my dear students, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.